Hello students, yesterday we have finished our science lesson number 1 explanation. I have explained you everything. I also told you to observe plants around your house like trees, climbers, herbs, shrubs, etc. I think you have done that, correct? Very good if you have done that, okay? Now I told you that there is one surprise for you. So here is the surprise. I have written one story for you. And today I am going to tell you that story. I know you all love to listen to the stories, correct? So are you ready for today's story? Let us begin with it. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a dense forest near the village. There was a big tree in that forest. One woodcutter was living in the village. One day, he decided to go to the forest to cut the tree and get the wood to sell. He reached to the forest and saw the big tree. He started cutting the tree. When he started cutting it, he heard the voice, "Stop! Please stop! Stop cutting!" The woodcutter was surprised. He looked around him, but there was no one. He thought that someone was trying to fool him. So he decided to cut the tree again. When he went near, again he heard, "Please don't cut me. It is paining. Please stop." Now the woodcutter looked at the tree. He was surprised. The tree was talking. The tree said, "Dear friend, why are you doing this to me? I am your friend. Please don't cut me. See, I am so big. I have so many leaves and I have such a big crown. I give you shade. When you sit under my shade, you can enjoy reading stories, correct? So please don't cut me." The woodcutter said, "Oh, it is okay. Whatever you are saying is correct, but when your leaves fall down, you are of no use. Then I will come and cut you." The tree said, "But dear, in the leaves there are beautiful flowers. I also give you those. Don't you like those? You have never seen. They have such a nice fragrance." The woodcutter said, "Oh yes, I do love flowers. But one day your flowers will fall down. They will also dry. Then what is to be done? You will be of no use. Then I will cut you." The tree was very upset. But it was not ready to give up. The tree said, "Oh my friend, don't you remember my fruits? I give you tasty fruits which grow from flowers. So please don't cut me now." Woodcutter said, "Yes, I agree with you. We enjoy eating fruits. But once we pluck all the fruits down, what is remaining? So at that time, I will cut you." Tree said, "Dear, I told you about leaves, flowers and fruits. But you are forgetting my roots. My roots grow deep into the soil. They hold the soil tightly. And do you know, when it rains, the rainwater goes deep into the soil. Water percolates into the soil, and this water you get in rivers. You drink this river water. So now think, don't you need water to drink? If not, then you can cut me. The woodcutter had no words. He was ashamed. He threw his axe down and said, "Oh dear friend, I am very sorry. Now I realized that if I will cut you, leaves will not give me shade. There will be no flowers in the leaves. No fruits will grow from the flowers. And if I will not get fruits, how can I get seeds inside those fruits? Then I will not be able to grow new trees. No trees, no rain, and no water. How will I live then? So, my friend, I will not cut you. Henceforth, I will take good care of you. And then, I will not allow anyone to cut trees or plants. Thank you, my friend, for giving me everything. Thank you and bye bye. The tree was very happy now. It saved itself. It was a wise tree. Children, see, trees and plants are giving us everything. They don't take from anything from us, but they just give. So, should we cut plants or trees? No, we should not cut them. We should take good care of them like that woodcutter. Okay? So promise me that you will do this. You will love trees and plants. So that is all about today. We will stop here. Tomorrow we are going to meet again. Okay? Till then, have a nice day. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Stay at home. Goodbye.